Using verb to be in the past tenses. It was dark. I was ready. I was there. It was cold. I was happy. It was sunny. She was kind. He was smart. I was sleepy. We were lost. It was a cat. You were shy. We were loud. It was quiet. It was a dog. She was busy. He was tired. You were sad. He was angry. He was early. You were tall. He was asleep. I was reading. You were here. It was sleepy. You were busy. You were late. It was snoring. We were a team. You were awake. You were found. We were hungry. She was a chef. It was playing. We were hungry. You were tired. I was learning. They were happy. She was excited. He was in class. We were friends. I was at school. I was a student. They were bored. She was at home. I was a student. He was a doctor. He was a doctor. She was singing. He was speaking. They were noisy. We were friends. We were resting. We were dancing. She was on time. They were crying. You were writing. You were at work. She was dreaming. You were at home. You were thirsty. She was a singer. He was explaining. You were siblings. You were teaching. It was at the zoo. I was from London. They were outside. You were laughing. You were watching. They were waiting. You were siblings. He was from Paris. You were a teacher. She was from Tokyo. He was at the park. We were in the car. You were a teacher. We were from Canada. They were listening. They were neighbors. I was in the kitchen. We were at the party. She was at the store. They were from India. You were from Brazil. It was in the garage. It was from Australia. She was understanding. They were in the park. They were at the beach. You were from New York. You were in the office. You were in the garden. She was in the bedroom. He was in the living room. She was understanding. They were in the park. They were at the beach. You were from New York. You were in the office. You were in the garden. She was in the bedroom. He was in the living room.